Hello again, gandang kachika life. Panuloko ni na Anthony Maris Pisado. Ex-jowa naglabas ng resibo. Pinasag na ng non-showbiz ex-girlfriend ni Anthony Ginengs na si Jambi Nganueva ang kanyang katahimikan. Hinggil sa tunay na rason sa kanilang paghihiwalay. Nitong Martes ng gabi, December 3, 2024, ginulat ng dalaga ang madlang people matapos nitong inilabas sa kanyang Instagram story ang kanyang side of the story, kanapipa mga screenshot ng conversation ni Anthony at Marisa. Alam ko po is nakita nyo na po ito kasi trending po ito sa lahat po ng social media platform. Panimula nga po ni Jam, I've been trying to hold myself together through everything that's been happening. But after hearing all the things being said about me, about my character, my intentions, and even my family, I can't stay silent any longer. Been deeply painful, and I know it's no longer just about me. It's about protecting the people I love most, and I can't allow them to be dragged into this. Say nga po ni Jam, nais na ilabas ang katotohanan hindi dahil sa galit siya kundi dahil sa nais niyang palayain ang sarili sa sakit na nararamdaman niya at para ninisin na rin ang pangalan niya laban sa mga fans ng dalawa na patuloy na bumabati ko sa kanya. I'm sharing this because I need to set the record straight, not to create more drama, but because I deserve to be heard just like anyone else. This has been a journey of pain, growth, self-discovery, and healing. No one truly knows what happened behind closed doors, but I've learned that the hard way that speaking up isn't weakness, isn't strength, and I've learned that choosing peace sometimes means reclaiming your voice. Saad po ni Jam. Kasunod nito ay ang paglalabas niya ng masaselang screenshot ng pag-uusap nina Maris at Anthony. Magsisimula ito sa manoy nais lang ni Anthony ng pakisamahan si Maris dahil sa may personal na problema itong pinagdaraanan at ayaw lang nito makaapekto sa kanilang trabaho. Hanggang ginagamit lang raw nito ang method acting para mas ikakaganda ng kanilang mga eksena. Mayroon rin party ng screenshot kung saan nag-text si Maris na it was hot kay Anthony na tumutukoy sa umanay pag-make out nila sa CR matapos ang isang party. Mainan pa nga masasena na palitan ng mensahe sa pagitan ng dalawa at may pa I love you pa nga. Noon pa raw ay mahingala na si Jam na may hindi magandang nangyayari sa dalawa. Ngunit pinili niyang intindihin ang dalawa bilang papapakita ng suporta at pagrespeto sa industriyang kinabibilangan ng mga ito. Kwento pa ni Jam, when Maris came into the picture, I was genuinely happy for your both. I even chose to be supportive despite the red flags I couldn't ignore. I respected your craft, I believe in you both, but bitterly, like the Scots did. This is my truth, and sharing it must way of moving forward not with anger, but with strength, hope, and the belief that better days are ahead. Ang mas nagpadurugo pa ng puso ni Jam ay pinit nilang inaayos ang relasyon nila at ang assurance na binibigay ni Anthony sa kanya, ngunit patuloy pa rin pala ang ginagawa nila ni Maris. Kahit nangako na itong ititigil na kung ano ang meron sa kanila. Ibinahagi nga rin nito ang larawan na kuha habang nasa eroplano ang dalawa pauwi ng Maynila galing Italy na tila naghahalikan. Ito ang dumurog kay Jam dahil bago niya itumatupulsal ay sa kanyang umuwi si Anthony at sinamahan siya sa ospital para magpa-MRI. For nearly 7 years, I'm so grateful for being my rock, my best friend, and most especially my partner. The memories we've shared over those years are the ones I will always treasure and remember. I know I love you enough to make you feel that way, and I could never think of anyone who would make me feel the way you do. You're my first in so many things, and I'm glad I got to experience them with you. Mensahe ni Jam kay Anthony. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, I know I've had our ups and downs, but I also know how much you've taught me through it all. Thank you for being there for me through the hardest times in life. You brought a life into mine that I never thought I could have. And for that, I always be grateful. Happiness was all I ever wanted for you in our years of living together. I never imagined I have let you go, but I did show you could grow and find happiness on your own. Samantala, inaasam naman o hinihintay ng mga netizen or madlang people ang magiging pahayag ni Maris at Anthony hinggil dito sa isyong ito. Thank you for watching. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video ito, subscribe na sa Starlight Showbiz YouTube channel and please don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates.